My arms close around it.
They're thirsty, but they can't have any water. Defeat pouring out of the crevices of their
All right, they're making us mad.
They're making us mad.
Morale's low. Let's get them. Mine.
On the guard today.
What's that? I was backing up. Two. Up there.
Oh my God, Jeffrey! Jeffrey's business!
3-2. Big D.
3-2.
Hey. Oh wait, never mind.
Okay, thank you. They didn't give me the money yet, but they're waiting. Give me it. I know where you got it. Hey!
Let's go. That bump had so much spin on it. I did it on purpose though, but it was lucky.
Five, six.
Quickly stopped you, you're right.
Whoops.
It really was a quick stop.
Sixes.
Come on, man.
I like
7-6.
the standoff before I throw it.
7-6.
She angry. She kitty cat angry. She kitty cat what? Help! Help!
Got it.
Nice job, Caleb. Hey! Ah! You have a kitty cat slot, and I love it. It's like I do take gases off. Yeah.
7-6 or 7s?
7.
7s. 7. stop.
Go.
That's good.
Trouble.
I got you.
Trouble.
Right in your lap, where I wanted it. I like putting it in your lap.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's the score? What's the score again?
9-8.
9-8. Short. Right in your lap. Right where I wanted it.
Got him.
I'm like the bird. The bird shut down. I'm like, ah! 10-8. I'm out of breath.
Ball.
10-8. 10-8. Right in your lap. Ooh,
Out.
Abby.
That was corner. That was corner.
Abby,
That was
sorry.
corner. That was corner. That was corner.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, that was.
Quit being a cheap little motherfucker.
That's line.
Look at him getting his stop over.
That is, dude, look, line.
He's got that daddy
The line
style.
goes all the way to here.
Hey, Big Daddy, I'll give you a redo. How about that?
That's long. The line didn't move at all.
It was out. It was out. Actually, no, I take
the
it back.
line.
And I didn't redo. 11-8. Right in your lap. Oh my God.
The double block. I was like, okay, so you don't double block people anymore.
You should feel special over there. That they don't black. Oh God. 12-8.
11-8. That was a redo.
12-8. Here we go. Oh, 13-8.
12-8.
Climbing up the ladder.
12-8.
All right, 12-8. We'll give him something. I don't want to embarrass him from his baby. Oh, never mind. Baby's gone. 13-8.
12-8. Nice job. 9-12.
It's kind of exhausting, but it's part of the workout. Hey, what? Come on, kitty cat! Yeah! I love it. I want to watch it on the video. Oh my God, Emmy's still sure. Oh my God.
0-2.
In. Got it. I got it. Oh my God.
Should have expected that. 3-0.
No. No.
Hey!
No. Out.
Ow!
Thanks, Kaylee.
You're too strong, kitty.
4-0. 4-0.
Yeah.
Go.
I like try to retime.
That's close, right? 1-5. That's supposed to fold more than that. 1-5 hard.
Why don't you serve it over here?
2-5.
Put it right in my mittens.
2-5.
No block needed, I think.
How many do you guys have? 6-2. 6-2. Over. Oh yeah. Big hits. 3-6. No, it's Arena actually. Same rotation. 3-6. 3-6. Big points. Oh, it's up. Mine. It's up. Kill it. Coming. Gently. 4-6.
Hit it down clock.
Line.
I did the calculations on your height.
Yes. It flew right. It like just. No, it flew like right into my throat.
7-4.
Time.
We got sand in mouth. All right. Oh no.
Sabrini.
7-4. Wait, while you switch while Jeff serves.
You guys ready?
No, not at all.
7-4. Are you okay, Lexi? Okay, 7-4.
Our strategy. 7-4.
Whoops. 8-4.
Yeah.
5-8. Out.
What's the score?
9-5.
Thank you.
9-5.
9-5. Very fine.
6-9.
Hell yeah.
Hey, come on.
Hit. It's our killer kale. 3-1. Hell yeah!
Oh, that's a giant girl. She's growing.
She's growing.
All right, what light?
Oh, yes! Kaylee won the game! Officially the best in the league! Alright, you guys deserved it.
You got it.
So let's run it.
One more?
No.
No, I had
We own you! We own you!
You'll be right in up. Zero.
No.
Oh my god, sorry.
What the hell?
Oh, no.
Nice job, Jenna. Yeah, Peter.
Don't ever. Ones.
Huh?
That's out. Ready. Oh,
Wow,
damn.
Peter. He is, oh my god, did you send him that video? Did you see that video of the
I don't want him just beaming to the sky.
and it went like to the sky. It's the funniest fucking video.
Leave this out. I gotta watch it. I'm ready for you. 2-1. It's out. Touch. Oh, sorry. Way to be there, Jen.
Oh my.
Threes?
Threes.
Don't worry, neither. I'll clip your.
I'll clap it.
Ooh, nice. I got it.
I go.
Help it.
Ha ha! Trick play. We confuse them with our confusion.
Too many spinnies. We got their balls.
Whatever works. 4-3.
4-3.
Is that 4s?
5-4.
Nice.
That one I got good contact on it. It's all tight in the net. Nothing I can do. I can
The net beat you that wide zone. No, I was just watching it. I was still behind the net. I said, behind the line.
Watch out!
It's dark out.
Jeff, if you drop like 10 pounds, I'd probably gauge it. Either stole
I'm eating nothing but
Drops it and
chicken.
I'm picking it all up. Like, don't waste those.
I've been eating nothing but chicken, Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt with meat.
7-4.
It's actually kind of nice. Yeah.
I lost in the layups.
I don't at all.
My bad.
Nice job, guys.
Ah, I blocked both of them!
Is it me?
You all.
5-8.
I just attacked the ball. 5-8. I got Ryan. That was the whole.
Oh no! Don't break your bone.
Don't break the bone.
Ow!
Not me.
9-5. 9-5, aka channel 955. 955.
Hey! Hell yeah!
I lost it again. I was like, oh.
Is that me?
955.
Wait, actually, Jenna, can we switch for just for while I serve? I feel weird on that side. Thank you. 6'9".
Nice job, John. Yeah!
Jenna, let's go!
Damn! I karate chopped that backwards.
7'9". I didn't see it till it was like right by my face.
I love it.
All right,
When
Dieter.
they're I like that, I can position myself to hit any part of the court. The low ones, I always have to like reach and hit that way. One shot I have on that. Yeah, but it's fine. It's just not as good. I can't swing like that. I learned the positivity. I'm talking short.
What?
07.
7.
It was only the pinky. Yeah.
I can die on that play. You see that? I hit that.
No, I was trying to. I thought it was going to fall.
wait. Dude, I need to wait.
Right?
I'm like under the ball.
Have you
by the
served
time
yet?
you finish.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go high.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, we changed the rotation
I
now,
also
that's
need to
right.
wait for you to set. Like, I'm going way too early.
Am I staying for the left heater?
8-11.
Got it. Good work, good work.
Lazy.
Great set.
No, we were too left-handed. Yeah, good spot. 9-3. 9-3.
Mine.
Over.
Damn.
There you go.
You're welcome,
All I
Jason.
could do is just make a scared noise.
Where's the block?
No, you're right. My fingers will snap.
Yeah, don't block that.
Oh, way. I just have to like punch it if I do anything. Got it.
Let's go!
I lost the mid-set. I just jumped and hoped.
Oh, damn, that was like straight into the camera, too. No, but it was like towards the camera. Is that still rolling? Oh, hell yeah. Flip that one for me.
It might have burned out. But no, I think it's good for about an hour after I can send
Is he? It's not a camcorder, is it? It's like a. Oh, and then he
Poro.
pauses it and then deletes it.
Who goes like
Got it. Oh my god. Ugh.
Alright, now we can do the old shuffle.
Yeah. Let me have you.
You guys got 4 or 5? 1-4. All 4. That's out.
I don't know what happened. Last season I was so consistent, and now I'm just back to like every other one. Constantly over and out, or like. I'm just mad.
2-4.
2-4.
There you go. There you go.
What is the record?
so you can
Yeah, I offered him my line, but they said the bar was closing at 10 minutes. Also, give me your best.
Yeah, wow. I've never seen. Oh, I saw this.
I do that all the time.
3-4.
Good job, Kaylee.
Help! Just up,
Good
nice.
job, Jenna. Good job. Go, Gina.
I got it.
Jump.
I'm sorry, Jenna. I did not.
I know, right?
You did so good on that play, and I did not set you up for success.
Good reaction.
Small legs were moving as fast as they could.
5-3.
I won the joust.
You won the job.
5-3.
Won the joust. Winning the joust for me in a while.
Gosh, Jeff.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Alright, I'll just play from the left so we don't.
Sure. Switching back and forth.
It's alright.
Ball 5.
Go 5th.
Over.
Set over.
This is casual.
This is casual.
This is advanced league.
Casual Friday.
5.
I'm wearing my casual attire.
it doesn't count. It never happened. Delete it.
You guys know what time it might be?
It feels like 30.
75.
We're diving 5.
Oh man.
No!
You guys, I need to do this, but you guys gotta wrap it up.
Okay.
We're almost done.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
8-5.
Last point.
Nice. Woo!
Based.
6-8.
Lexi. Okay.
No, you going. Pick me in. Don't stop. You can roll with me.
6-8. I don't know. Said you and still went for it.
I thought it was yeah, it was a little
It's
off,
done.
but it's
7-8.
I could have hit that.
Redo.
One ball. 9,
9-7.
7. Nice. Four is good.
Oh!
Good, Jesse. Good, Jesse. We're getting better at high fives. We're always getting higher.
27.
Damn! Damn! Damn!
Alright, team picture in front of the camera real quick.
You guys.
You guys want to be in our picture?
I see what the high five is coming from this season.
Yeah, exactly.
Come on,
I need to
everybody
work
get
on it.
in.
I need to go home and like practice hitting the
Just the mirror. Just
Bye.
Hitting your own
Are you
hand.
not doing the photo?
No, you guys can have your glory.
Well, we're obviously gonna have one alone. Two.
Do you have a clicker in your pocket?
It's just a video.
No, you just look at it and get weird about it.
1, 2, 3. Alright, now one with the guys holding the girls.
What? He doesn't want to be held. She just jumps in his arms.
1, 2, 3. Alright. And then, yes. And it goes.
Haley like pushes us out of the way. She's like,
And I'm like,
now one with the girls holding the guys. Here we go.
hell no.
I don't think that was strong enough for that. Ooh, remember I've been working on my thighs. Oh my god! Damn, I almost collapsed in that last one. I went too low.
You guys look great. Oh. Okay.